In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of Epson WorkForce 110 printer. So that means we are going to remove the printhead and we are going to clean it. Now go to your printer and switch it on. On the display panel, click on the menu and then scroll ahead and click on the maintenance. Select ink cartridge replacement and press OK. Press OK to proceed and again click on the OK to proceed. Now open the ink chamber. Remove the ink cartridges. Press this lock button and you can take both of them out. Now take a screwdriver, just a normal screwdriver, and you have to remove the printhead. If you look inside, you will see there are 3 screws. Unscrew them one by one. So we have successfully unscrewed them. We can take them out, or we can try to lift it. Lift the back side first, hold it, now remove it. Carefully just remove it little bit, otherwise you can break the wire that connects at the other end. Now I can take these screws out. These are really small and if you look under the printhead, if you look under this, you will see the shiny part of the printhead. The easiest way is to not to remove these parts. Just try to clean from here. For the cleaning, you don't need to remove this section. Just place it like this. Now take the damp cloth. So I'm just going to use this microfiber cloth here, and you can just spray some cleaning liquid, isopropyl alcohol, or you can even use the distilled water, and just try to rub it here. So this should actually unclog the printhead, and if you see the ink coming out, that means it's working. Don't press it hard, just do it gently. You don't have to break it. So once you do the proper cleaning, then we can reinstall it. So we have cleaned it properly. Now we can place it back. So the back side, to place it back, you have to place it here, so the front side can go first and then the back side will settle itself. Place all the 3 screws back here. Make sure that is tight enough. Using a magnetic screwdriver will help to take them out and place back easily. Now place the ink cartridges here. place it one by one and lock it. Close this section. On the display panel, you have to press OK to confirm the ink cartridges are replaced. Now this may take few minutes for the ink to charge, and it should be working properly after that. Press OK to proceed. The charging of the ink will take some time. So once we have done it successfully, press OK. Once it is done, go back. So press this button and you will see the estimated level of ink, and we can start using our printer. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning. Thanks for watching.